My name is Josh Weibel. I'm a product development expert here at Supportworks. It means a lot of different things. Do a lot of research, contractor support, as well as testing for new and existing products. So today, I'm writing up some install instructions for a new product that we're launching with the Hello Garage brand. Right now in the slower time, it's probably 60-40 in here and in the field doing testing. In the summertime, it's probably the opposite. We'll do a lot more field stuff because the weather's nice, but we still have stuff here that we got to take care of, like this. We're getting ready to launch it, so there'll be a lot more in-office things, as well as shooting the video for the install and just making sure that that's all ready to go for this September. Something like this vacuum we've been working on for almost a year now. Some of the more involved things can have anywhere from a 1 to 3 to a new vertical be 5 years. So it really just kind of depends on the product. A lot of the upfront research, I would say, is kind of that first 30 to 40% of that life cycle, just because we got to make sure we exhaust every option, and there will be more along the way, just as we kind of learn about different tools and equipment and methods of install. Find anything and everything that could hold somebody up on their initial install, and just kind of trying to smooth that out as much as possible. No 2 days are the same. There's so many different things that we look at and research that it's tough to be bored here.